The Tom and Jerry is a classic warm, frothy, and creamy cocktail typically enjoyed during the holiday season. You will need the following ingredients: 12 large eggs, separated, 1½ cups granulated sugar, 2 ounces dark rum, 2 ounces brandy, 1/2 teaspoon ground allspice, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 4 cups heated whole milk, hot water. For equipment you will need mixing bowls, large spoon or whisk, mug, ladle, electric mixer, optional. Here are the instructions. In a large bowl, beat the egg whites until they form stiff peaks. Set aside. In another bowl, beat the egg yolks until light and creamy. Gradually add the sugar, continuing to beat until fully incorporated. Stir in the rum, brandy, allspice, cloves, nutmeg, and vanilla extract into the egg yolk mixture. Gently fold the beaten egg whites into the yolk mixture until well combined. To serve, place a generous spoonful of the batter into a mug. Add a shot of rum or brandy if desired. Fill the mug with equal parts of hot milk and hot water, stirring constantly until the drink is warm and frothy. Sprinkle a bit of nutmeg on top for garnish. The Tom and Jerry, often confused with eggnog due to its similar flavors, originated in the 19th century. It's named after characters from The Life and Adventures of Tom and Jerry by Pierce Egan, making it a drink with literary as well as festive associations.